Hi there in the squad, how are you all doing? It's your boy AMG here, and I'm back again with another vlog for you guys. And this vlog is gonna be a part of Hyderabad travel vlog series. And today we are gonna go to Nehru Zoological Park.
Lost in your eyes, under your spell. Oh, it's like we've always known it. Even though it's new, I can already tell. Oh, that this feeling.
So guys, I went there on Saturday and the rush was so crazy. There were a huge amount of crowds, due to which there was lots of background noise and it was very tough to film regular vlog. So what I did is I managed to get clips of the exciting animals which I found, especially the monkeys. They were so playful, they were so cute. I got that on vlog, and I also got few different kind of deers, aviary. There were different kind of birds in that, and few squirrels. And what else I got? Yeah, I also got alligators and different wild cats. I got a few amount of lions, and the lions were starving probably. I don't know, they were really thin. You're gonna see that in today's video. So before beginning our today's video, make sure you hit that subscribe button to join the EMG squad, and also turn the bell notification icon on so that you don't miss out on any of the future vlogs which are gonna come up. There are literally exciting vlogs that are gonna be there on my channel, so do that. And now without further ado, let's begin our today's video. Jadi, kami एक ही बज गई। चल रहे ना।
You can say what you want. I already know it's destiny. Maybe you should stop resisting it. I understand it can be scary, but you'll be safe in my arms, baby. Just take a leap of faith. Come on, just take my hand. 'Cause our vibe is irreplaceable. You don't see this kind of love no more. It's special, one of a kind, yeah. I know, together. If you let me be your girl, we'll take over the world. Together we'll go high, we'll make the most of life. If you let me be your girl, I can wait for the day, yeah. I'll wake up next to you, when they dreaming about it. Come on, just take my hand. 'Cause our vibe is irreplaceable. You don't see this kind of love.
पानी में guys, so that's it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed. Yeah, I felt that the lions were starving and the leopard and alligators were for some reason sleeping. They were all asleep. But yeah, the most favorite part of mine was the monkeys for sure. They were so playful. And yeah, that's it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed. And guys, if you want to join the EMG squad, make sure you hit that red button, which is the subscribe button right away, and also turn the bell notification icon on, because there are lit vlogs that are going to be up on my channel. So make sure you stay tuned and also like this video as well. And yeah guys, until the next time, take care, stay safe, I will be seeing you in the next one, guys. AMG is signing off, and peace out.